Join us as the HowToAV team answer all those questions you were afraid to ask. Content on every type of AV technology you can think of.
Sound masking,
USB Type-C,
HD-based
An induction loop system.
power over Ethernet. We're bringing in industry experts, consultants, designers and developers.
how do I plug my Apple TV into my audio amplifier?
Can I duplicate the output from my DVD player? HowToAV is delivering knowledge out to the market and making sure that everybody's technology out there is working correctly.